First, take a look at this channel. It has around 5.27 million subscribers and has uploaded only about 620 videos, yet you can see it gets millions of views. If you want to check whether this channel is monetized or not, I can prove it. You can see its estimated income is around $100K. The way this channel creates videos is very impressive, and most of its content is shorts. You can see the views, 4.4 million, 6.5 million, 3.3 million, 6 million, and even 9.9 million. Almost every video has millions of views. This shows how powerful this type of content is. You can either create long videos or shorts like these, and as you can see, none of the videos have less than 1 million views. This type of channel is growing very fast, and you can also create similar videos easily. In this complete tutorial, I will show you step by step how this channel earned around $100K, which is a good income, and you can also achieve it. You can learn this method in just a few minutes, and the best part is that you can do everything for free. You don't need to buy any paid tools. I will share the method and the free tools that give daily credits, so if you use them daily, you can consistently create high-quality videos like this. As you can see, this type of channel is going viral, and you can also earn by making similar videos. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like the video so you don't miss future content. The most important thing is that you will find a link in my YouTube comments section. Just copy and paste it to follow the process. Something important: AI video content is one of the best ways to grow quickly online, but not every channel succeeds. If you want to go viral, you need to focus on unique concepts, strong storytelling, and high-quality visuals that grab attention instantly. Consistency is very important. Upload regularly and stay active. Follow trending topics, but always add your own creative twist. Your content should either entertain, educate, or connect emotionally with viewers. Use eye-catching thumbnails, powerful titles, and a strong hook in the first few seconds to keep people watching. I will explain everything related to these topics in detail on my channel. The process is very important, so watch every part of the video and don't skip anything. Now, let's start and see how you can create amazing AI videos easily with this complete tutorial. First, I will give you a prompt in my YouTube comments section. You just need to copy it from there and paste it here. And after pasting, you have to write, "Please give me 10 image prompts and add character description in every scene." Then ChatGPT will generate very high-quality prompts for you, exactly the way you want, scene by scene. And if you want more prompts, you can increase the number like 12, 20, or 25. After that, your prompts will be ready, and you just need to copy them one by one. Then for creating images, open it, set the size to 9:16, select Phoenix 1.0, and paste your prompt. Your image will start generating. And as you keep pasting prompts one by one, your images will be ready with consistent characters and perfect scenes. Leonardo AI is a powerful and creative platform that helps users generate stunning, high-quality images using advanced artificial intelligence tools, perfect for artists, designers, and content creators worldwide. And if your credits finish, then you can use Piclumen to create images for free daily. I also use it, and now your images are ready. Next, you will create voice and then make the video for free. Next, we will create an AI voice using unlimited AI tools with text-to-speech, such as ElevenLabs. Here, you can easily generate an AI voice for free. The prompt you copied from ChatGPT just needs to be pasted here. After that, you can select any voice you like, for example, Alex, or any other available voice. Once you have selected the voice, go to the settings and choose the style according to your content, such as motivational or storytelling. Then, paste your prompt and click on Generate. Within a few seconds, your AI voice will be ready, as you can see.
Minecraft-style blocky character wearing a full red hoodie outfit with the hood up. Blue eyes, light skin, simple pixel.
Now let's talk about background music. The channel we are following also uses background music, so we will do the same. Open YouTube and go to YouTube Studio. After that, open the audio library. Here you will find a lot of free music tracks. You can play any track and choose the one you like. For example, play a music track, and if you like it, simply download it. Then you can use that music as background music in your video. Now I will show you how to set it properly in your video. Next step, how to create free AI video. First website is Digen.ai, which is an amazing and powerful platform. It gives you around 300 credits, allowing you to create about 10 videos. After that, it continues to provide daily credits so you can keep making AI videos easily. On Digen.ai, you can easily create AI videos. For now, as you can see, I have more than 3,800 plus credits because I have been logging into this account for many days. That's why I can create a lot of videos on it. If you want to make more AI videos, Digen.ai is a great choice for you. The best part is that even if you don't use it daily, it still automatically adds credits to your account, just like it did in mine. And upload your first image. After that, paste your first prompt and click on Generate. Your video will start creating. Then, upload your second image in the same way. Paste the prompt and click Generate again. The video creation will start. It may take a little time, but you can create 2 videos at the same time on this platform. Within about 10 to 15 minutes, your videos will be ready and you'll have high-quality AI-generated content easily. Second website we used. This is the website where we create daily videos, and it gives daily credits. Its name is Flow Labs. You just need to open the website and click on Create with New. After clicking, you'll see your credits. For example, I get 150 credits when I log in with one email, and it also shows Refresh Daily, which means you will receive new credits every day, so you can use it easily on a daily basis. Now, click on New Project, then select Create with Flow. After that, copy your prompt and set the settings. Choose VO 3.1, set the mode to fast, adjust the quality as needed, and set the size to 916 vertical. Then enable real-time, paste your prompt, and as soon as you paste it, your video will start generating. You can paste prompts one by one, and in this way, you can create multiple videos from different prompts. After some time, you'll see the final results, and the videos will look very high quality and amazing. This is how you can easily create videos daily using this website. For the final editing, I will use CapCut, which is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions, perfect for beginners and professionals. Here, I will upload my video, apply effects, and complete the editing. Now my video is ready, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to the video, feel free to comment. I will reply to you. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another method. Thanks for watching.